Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this DS Automobiles DS7 CROSSBACK 1.6 PureTech GPF Ultra Prestige Crossback. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your DS Active LED Vision headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch Tokyo Black Onyx style alloy wheels with a two-tone finish really complementing against the silver exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase, perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the art black basalt Napa leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this car is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found it you are able to save it as it's a memory seat as well. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 55,280 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations that you may travel to. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps to just listen to your own music, a rear view camera making reversing so much easier, and of course you also have your dual zone climate control, which allows you to individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, and as well as this you also have both heated and ventilated front seats, ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. On the front seats are also massage seats, which is ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout. This has been a presentation on the DS Automobiles DS7 CROSSBACK 1.6 PureTech GPF Ultra Prestige Crossback that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.